and then you'll be able to and change out a crystal and take it home with you.
It's pretty resilient.
Amazing. In 2007, we created the first LED bulb. In 2008, it was so successful. We made this bulb, the biggest crystal ball in the world. And now that bulb
Yeah, it's more than resistant. It's pretty
resistant. I can't wait to see what we have.
Okay. Greg, what you pray for the 2025? What is the best wishes you can give the people?
The best wishes?
Yeah, for 2025.
Oh my God, there's nothing like it. We're all here at Times Square joined by over millions of people around the world as we count down in unison together, filled with hope and joy for 2025. We want to take that moment and make it last all year long.
That's right. That's right. Health and happiness. That's what we want. Health and happiness. And it starts right here with that goal for 2025. All those New Year's resolutions. Try to keep them.
My parents' house with my cousins. I remember high school and college with my friends. I remember watching with my own kids. And it's a part of Americana. And I just love the fact that now people are going to be able to come to Times Square and actually be up here where we are.
This building needs to be in for 70 years. Nobody really cares.